Let's check out the AP Stats news for week 9, which is the last week of first quarter. As you know from the last few weeks' communications, the end of first quarter is November 3rd, and even though our on-pace schedule says we're starting Chapter 4, for what's going into the gradebook and Skyward as your first quarter grade is the end of Chapter 3. So as of October 26th, to be on pace, you would have finished the Chapter 3 exam. You do want to make sure you get that done by Friday, November 3rd. Any homework or tests not taken by November 3rd will be set to 0 in Skyward, and that will be your grade for first quarter. So be careful if you're not finishing up your work. If there is any unfinished work related up to Chapter 3, you will have to continue on with that as you start second quarter and try to get back on pace with the material. If you look on Schoology, you will see we have Chapters 4, 5, 6, and 7 targeted for second quarter, and that will wrap up our first semester. Now, if you are a student that prefers more of a social studies type of course, do know that the Chapter 4 is all about taking surveys and studies. It is actually 15% of the entire test that you're going to take in May. So it is a very important chapter. Very little math to none in this one, just styles and techniques and things to be cautious of when you take surveys and make observations. So if you have any questions or need any help as you are wrapping up your material for first quarter, please do not hesitate to contact me. And don't forget to use the testing form to sign up for a testing time during this last week. Another option we do have is the Wednesday after school if you want to test on non-school hours. Other than that, by 2:45 on Friday, all tests for Chapter 3 need to be complete. I hope first quarter wraps up nicely for all of your courses, and you have a great week.